Hello everyone, I'm Brandon Huber and I'm the curator of this incredible specimen, Amorphophallus titanum, that we call Lupin. Lupin is, as an Amorphophallus titanum, is the world's largest inflorescent species. These come from Indonesia in the tropics, and they grow, they're known for this monster flower that they have that occurs, takes many years to flower. This first bloomed for us 13 years old, and it has recurred bloomed every 3 years. This is the fourth bloom that we've had, and this flower stands 6 foot tall, and we're looking at this spadex here and this spathe. And this plant is really fascinating because, and this spathe will open up to 3 foot wide, and when it does, it'll start to release this odor, this corpse flower. It's called a corpse flower because it releases a stench to simulate roadkill. It also releases heat. It's thermogenic, a heat-releasing plant, which is very unique characteristic of this plant also, and that helps to draw in flies, carrion beetles, which pollinate it. Unlike most plants that are pollinated by bees, this is pollinated by flies and carrion beetles. So this bloom can take 10 to 15 years to occur the first time, and this flower will only be open for about 24 hours. So you can imagine, a flower that takes 10 or more years to flower, and you have this one day of flower. So quite an amazing event. People come to see these bloom all over whenever they do occur, botanical gardens and whatnot. And so this flower we've been awaiting this flower day for weeks now. Started as a small bud, growing inches a day, developing into this monster flower, which is now starting to open. I expect this to open in the next 2-3 hours this afternoon, evening, and that smell will start, and it'll start to be open for pollination, basically, and we'll see probably a lot of flies in here drawn to it as the pollinator, as I mentioned. So quite an awesome event to see. If you haven't seen one of these bloom in person, you should definitely check them out sometime. They're just incredible. It's amazing. This flower is 6 foot tall, and they go from 6 to 10 foot tall. Incredible plant. Worth checking out if you could ever see one. Just 4 hours ago, we were looking at this flower, and this spadex and the spathe were closed up all the way. And now it's been about 4 hours. It's 6:30, and we have this spathe has really opened up. The spadex is separated from the spathe, and we're starting to get an odor. There's some heat being released from this flower. The flies are coming in. The greenhouse odor, it's a really strong odor in here. And so we'll expect this to open a little more around 9 p.m. tonight. They tend to open when the sun sets, when they really start to open up, and you get that really strong smell, and which will continue all the way into tomorrow, early tomorrow, depending on the climate and the temperature and all that. And so really excited to show you this, and we'll check back in a little bit. You can see right now flies flying around in there. And we'll see a lot more flies coming in the next couple hours. All right, I'm back again here at Lupin. Lupin is, I would say, fully open at this point. We're over 3 foot wide diameter on the spathe, and we're full stench right now. So probably might see a little more opening, but this is about as big as I get at this point. So just wanted to follow up and show how these things progress as the hours get closer to sundown. The sun's setting, and this is typical for when they open. So just want to show you, we have a lot of flies in here, really strong smell, and so this is the Amorphophallus titanum, world's largest flowering species. And thanks for watching.